So good morning children. Today we are going to see division of 3-digit number with 1-digit number. Okay, so we'll start with example 4 which is in page number 13. Now we'll start with the first example 4. Divide 125 by 4 using division algorithm method. Okay, so now you have learned to divide 2-digit number with 1-digit number. What you will do? You will put a division box which is a curve and a line, right? So you will put the same thing, and what you should write in the middle, which is dividend. Dividend only you have to write in the inside of the box, right? So what is dividend here? We'll check what is dividend here. Divide 125 by 4. What you should do? You should divide this number by 4. So whichever number you want to divide, that number should be the dividend. That number is dividend and that number should be written inside the box, right? So 125 is your dividend and you will write this here. And which number you are using to divide this number? 4, right? So you will write 4 here. Okay, now what you should do? You should look into the highest place value number. So here see units, tens and hundreds. Which is the highest place value here? 100, right? So what you will do? You look into the 100 place number and you will compare it with the divisor. So here you have 1 and here you have 4. So when you see 4 is greater than 1. So can you use the 4 and divide this one, or you can tell 4 tables so that you will get 1. No, right? Because 1 is smaller than 4. So what you should do? You should get help from the neighboring number, which is 2. So when you look the first 2 number, okay, highest place value number, you can see 1, 2, which is 12, right? So 12 is greater than 4. So what you should do now? You should tell tables. So start telling tables. Which tables you should say? Divisor table. So you should start telling 4 tables. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So 4 multiplied with 3 gives you 12. Now you got the answer here also. Now what you should do? You should subtract them, right? You remember, right? You have to subtract the number and this number. So when you divide, subtract 12 from 12, what you will get? 12 minus 12 is 0. So you got 0. Is this sum over? There is one more sum, one more number at the end. In unit place, you have a number which is 5. So what you should do now? Usually what you will do? You will get this 5 down. So if you get 5 down, you will write 5 here. Now what you should do? You should compare this 5 with 4. 5 is greater than 4. So what you should do? You should start telling 4 table. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. See, you got 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, but you didn't get 5, right? So 5 lies between 4 and 8, right? You got a small number, after that you got a big number, but you didn't get 5. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. You didn't get the 5. But you know that 5 is between 4 and 8. So what you should do? You should see this number. 4 twos are 8. 8 is greater than 5. So you cannot use the number which is greater than 5. So you will go to the number smaller than 5. So 4 ones are 4. So what you will do? 4 multiplied with 1 gives you 4. Now what you should do? You should subtract them. So here you have 5 and here you have 4. You have 5 and you have to subtract 4 from it. So let's subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many is remaining? 1. So you will write 1 in the down. Here look, 1 and here you have 4. Which is greater? 4, right? You cannot use 1. So 1 will remain like that. Now here, what is your quotient? What is the quotient? Quotient is the top number which you will get, right? Here you have 31 and remainder is the number you will get at the end. Here you got 1. So your remainder will be 1. This is how you should solve a division of 3-digit number with 1-digit number. So we'll solve some exercise sums. Turn to page number 18 and we'll solve the first exercise sum. Okay. So now, first they are giving you 232 divided by 4. Okay. So first Roman is 2-digit number divided by 1-digit number. That I gave you, I solved some sum and I gave you some sums as homework. So we will solve the second Roman, which is division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Now you should put this box, division box always. Okay. So now here 232. This division symbol is divided by 4. Okay, so what you should do? You should write this big number inside and the small number outside. Now what you should do? You should look into the first number, which is 2, and compare it with the number on the outside, which is divisor. So 2 and 4 you just compare. 2 is smaller than 4. So you cannot use 4 table. So what you will do? You will take L from the second number. So if you take L from 3, then you will get 2 numbers. And now what you should do? You should start telling 4 tables. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. So 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. So but here you got 23. You didn't get 23, but you got 24 and 20. Now what you should do? You should look this and compare them with the answers you got. Here you got 4 into 6 is equal to 24, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Which is smaller than this? This is greater, so you cannot use this one. So you will go with the previous one, 4 multiplied with 5. 4 5s are what? 20. So 4 multiplied by 5 gives you 20. Now what you should do? You should subtract them. So when you subtract 23 from 20, what you should do? 3 here you have and here you have 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. And here you have 2 and here you have 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So you will get answer as 0 and 3. Now you know 3 is smaller than 4. What you should do? You should bring the next number down, which is 2. When you bring 2 down here, you will get 32. Now what you should do? You should start telling 4 table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. So you got 32. So 4 multiplied with 8 gives you 32. Now you have to subtract them. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So here you got remainder as 0. Now you can write quotient is equal to what you got as the quotient on the top, 58. So you will write 58 and then remainder, you will write what is here in the remainder? 0. So you will write 0. Understood? Now we'll solve the second sum, which is 474 divided by 6. Now what you should do? You should put the division table as always. Now here 474, this is called as division symbol, which is divided by 6. So what you should do? You should put the dividend number inside and what number outside? 6. Okay, now what you should do? You should look into the highest place value number here, units, tens and hundreds. In hundreds place we have 4. So what you should do? You should compare them with the divisor. See, here you have 4 and here you have 6. 4 is smaller. So what you should do? You should take L from the next number. So you will consider both numbers 4 and 7. 4, 7 together 47. Right. So now what you should do? You should start telling 6 tables. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. So 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. Look at here, you got 47. 47 is lesser than 48. 48 is greater and 42 is lesser. So what you will do? You will strike this out and you will use the number before, which is 6 sevens are 42. So 6 multiplied with 7 gives you 42. Now what you should do? You should subtract them. Okay, so here you have 7 and here you have 2. So you have 7 and you have to subtract how many? 2. So 7 minus 1, 2. How many is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here you have to write 5. And look at here. Here you have 4 and here you have 4. 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many is remaining? 0. So you will write 0 here. Now you got here 5. And what you should do now? You should bring the next number down, which is 4. Now what you should do? You should start telling the tables of the divisor, which is 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54. So 6 multiplied by 9 will give you 54. Now here you have 4 and here you have 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And here you have 5 and here you have 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So you got the answer remainder as 0. Now quotient is, what is the quotient? 79. And then remainder is 0. Okay, in the same model there is 2 more sums in this Roman. That will be your homework. Okay, we'll see the division of 4-digit number with 1-digit number. Now that is third Roman. Okay, so for third Roman, first question. 1653 divided by 8. This is your question. So what you should do? You should divide this 4-digit number with 1-digit divisor. First what you should do? You should put always the division table. Okay, now here which is the dividend? See, this number is divided by 8. So you will write this number inside 1653. And which is the divisor here? 8. So you will write 8 here. Now what you should do? You should look into the first highest place value number. Units, tens, 100, 1000. So 1000 is the highest place value. So in place of highest place value you have 1. Right. So what you should do? You should compare them. 1 is smaller. So what you should do? You should take help of the next number. So next number is 6. 1, 6. 1 and 6 is 16. Now what you should do? You should start telling tables. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So 8 multiplied by 2 gives you 16. Now what you should do? You should subtract. So 16 minus 16 is 0. So you got 0 as your answer. Now what you should do? You should bring the next number down, which is 5. Now look at this number and look at this number. Here you have 8 and here you have 5. Definitely 5 is smaller and you need the help of next number. So whenever you need help of next number, what you will do is you will put 0 on the top. Okay, and then only you will bring the next number down. If you are bringing 2 numbers down, first you brought the first number down, 5. But 5 is not enough. You needed help from the next number. So what you have to do? You have to put a 0 on the top. Okay, because you are taking help of next number too. So you will put a 0 on the top. Then you will bring the next number down, which is 3. Now you got 53. 53 is greater than 8. So what you should do? You should start telling 8 tables. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. So 8 6 are 48. 8 sevens are 56. You know 53 is greater than 56. So you cannot use 8 sevens are 56. So what you will do? You will go to the number before. So 8 6 are 48. So 48 you got. Now what you should do? You should subtract them. 53 minus 48. Now look at this last digit. Whenever you are subtracting, you will start from the last number, right? So here you have 3 and here you have 8. Can you subtract 8 from 3? Can you subtract 8 from this 3? No, you cannot subtract. 3 is smaller number, 8 is bigger number. So what you should do? You should borrow from the previous number. So if you borrow 1 from 5, how many numbers you will get? 4. So 4 you will get, and here what you will put? You will put 1 here. So you will get 13 here, and 13 minus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have 13 ones and you have to subtract how many? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what are the remainings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will put 5 here. Now look at here, you borrowed 1 from this 5 and you got 4. And down also you got 4. So 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining is 0. So you should put 0 here. So what was your answer? 5. So 0, 5 is your answer. Okay. So here, what is your quotient? Sorry. 5, 8, 6 or 48, right? So your quotient is 206. And your remainder is? Remainder is 5. Okay. So see, look at here. I wrote 8 into 6 or 48, but I forgot to write 6 here. So you are not supposed to forget anything that you are writing. Okay. So whenever you are using the table, don't write the answer alone. Write along with the multiplication. So 8 into 6 or 48. Okay. So whenever you are doing divisions, you may find it So sometimes you may lose some numbers like this. Okay, you are not supposed to lose them, just write carefully. Okay, there are 3 more sums in the same Roman, which is second, third and fourth sum. That will be also your homework. Okay, if you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.